right there. Many of them know what they have for social media for the past few days now or week now. I'm going to bullet do many. You can't bullet do many. Yes. Why are you not soon? Talk your story, not the story where they tell I give for social media. Now so Destiny Ebagua and a two-wife story. Not the story where they tell them for a gift for the social media. Since 2019, now the day after this family people, this family will be say up to now. After I go via do Boloma Yana boy in Yakuri. If you have to what about the yes. Watota, Patiyan, Ave, Ekitali Yaki. When you have to Mado Guam. Let not judge this issue out of hatred. We would that way on a way Malaki Monica, on a way Malakonona, on a way Malakonona. Now we are judge a matter. Let's not use sentiment. Let's say it the way it is. Social media Benin cyberspace is for Benin people. Osaloba no give my ama. No give my platform my attain ou yedomu. Et you know see anyone the people like me where me de ba wo gboka. Yi kan ti ka wona ipadi me no we no magba ni support e. Ni a po bole le da na ipadi me. Omo ni yen mu ye problem ra ni yen si o ba lo yo egbe oni ga sokian. Mais non te mu dia do sinyo segene no sokian ni. Ido we mu do no mu e. No si o ba lo wo nyan yo de egbe ipadi me no. Era me no. E gofada me no. Osime no. Obien ya ile ni ya boy. Igi te mata ma ile dura, igi te mata ma. Onyo si yen na wi no mozuo. Ani ku yo ile mi. Omozuo gele hin. Ana mi ri ile brabi ile kodem wae. Ra. Ide bawa do ani wa to si wa me worship o managbon. Osalobo gba kan worship. Ani me mo ho managbon. Osalobo gba kan mu ha. Ama bi obo ni bi o he ni mi yan mu ha. Ba bola he ni gbe. Asa so e ho no he ni yan. Eyan to gbo we e ho ni eniyan ri e a bogin yen ni ori eni ba bogin la igbe ni na mo ha obo ni ni eniyan mo ha osun as far as ni eniyan na eri yen hiyan be ni me bi ba eri yen ba be me mu ame eri yen mu ame be ni me ne la zen mo ni san eri yen ne la zen mo ni san be ni me hiyo eri yen hiyo ogun mi agbera gbe ni na mo ha kin ke boge ti yan sun wo ne wo wa e ma to mo do vi o le gagbe ala mazedo male gagbe na zeni yeke ko e me nya do mu ha madele to mani kon e mato na male gagbe ha do amu ha so that's the reason why na me we no wa amozo yi mu won mo ropa omo ni me respect na omo no mu da o de mata no te mata no je omo no we mi na so keke badima e me worship you understand wa get o time no je let's leave the hatred on social media. Alright, Lolo. All those ni Monica do no wahia de media sisonsin. Social media presenter ya one a wicked imagine. Wahia happy weekend wa share video na. Gamie we Lolo. They do this thing where Monica do now. All the Benin people. Ya barine. They don't start the analyzer. Ya analyzer ne. But all of them they hungry. Who they share. Ebi Paris, I see you. Who they share everybody's page now for saying now. Who they share the Paris now they share the Paris video, they share. The mind there was the last time I was expecting maybe by now. I could just see all of them go jump out. Oh wow, to Destiny matter come out all of you wahera so analyze. The matter can me view there, wahera so me view. Normally no muye yo wa, especially all those lunatic on TikTok. I been frustrated women in TikTok. And if we are needed more boto, if we are depressed, we will ni rate talk, ni wazu of TikTok. The majority, the only way then I make do. Who are had bad going TikTok? Ever go wa. Ija be are TikTok. I will let Morocco. He are TikTok. He I want do wa. But he have advice of you with you wa. He have advice of you with you wa. Whenever do, whenever what do. We are advice on no road. We are advice of no you wa. We no mighty you after many years of frustration we Umati moko yowa, we are you not your way you are. Or your man with the giver. Where do I read no man ready? On here, I dig you can take or in a bulufwa. Now, what else soon? A chat in Ladian. We marry the chat in Yaladian here. In a chat in Regina. No, we are greatest, greater glory in Monica the platform. I can remember 5 years ago, there's a Monica Lolo soon with social media. Why have what total? Yeah, you worry. A Monica when I fake account. I was fancy near 20 fake accounts. On our 20 fake accounts. A live now with video no matter audio now it was on live screen. On our 20 fake accounts in your backup a page in here. So automatically on put the followers of it. You have 20 fake accounts. Yeah, block your owner. Who your way Ladian. Many of you can remember that video. Monica well. Yeah, block your owner who your way Ladian. Then Monica have several fake accounts. And so what a picture of home yo, but with different name. And when you boom over on my way on your account, who done a picture Monica Naro and another different name. Many people will think on your not knowing where Monica himself your white account in. You understand? No, ya do that. Pepper Spice Gist is owned by GPC member. Okay, Monica no. Why don't you buy at the end? What was it? Or second who do? Oh, what shall we do? That's the end. What? I'm back on you. One of you are soon good at the world. Not to the don't walk. But don't want to be a web. Happy weekend. Now let's go there. If I don't tell la Monica Benoya, after you be good, I will have to do with you. If I don't tell I like Benin, what I will have to do with Betty. Do you have this one? Or do you have to look this to me? Oh, I have I will read what happened. A write-up in one kind. The social media. Ni a Ladian. Ni a Ladian. Monica were bringing more write-up out. On this cyberspace. Ladian. In a way, this thing is forged by Monica fans. That's the reason why I do my drink. And one young. He got 7. When I come to pass, I will come do my drink. I did video. In our advice star. In our advice word. In our advice destiny. As their husband. Then and I said, issuing a Monica France on that fake accounts. Now they edit those stuff, bring come up for social media. Just to cover the saga with the ground of Akobekia. That was their target. Now, because a Monica or my like a word. A Monica my word. Once you know 2019, the matter Monica Word, Esther and Destiny will arise. Monica play audio of Destiny and Esther. Now me where a word or send the idea. A matter in us your legacy before Monica could come out categorically to expose where a word or send all those audio gear. Ni hedo ya disgrace a UK toy. Na Esther. After that, Monica was expected where Destiny would no longer marry Edward. To her greatest surprise, Destiny married Edward as her first wife before getting married to Esther Ebagua as her second wife. The whole issue has been on ground all this while. And Esther and Edward always come on social media to pepper the enemies of destiny and their life. Who is the enemy of Esther and Edward and destiny? Monica. Monica is the biggest enemy of destiny household. Is the number one enemy of destiny Ebagua household, home and abroad. Monica is their worstest enemy you can ever think of. Destiny will forgive every other presenter that has started him on social media. He will never forgive Monica. Yes. I didn't speak from what I know. He ain't forgive Monica. During the music challenge of Obedu, dedicated to our king by Esther Ebagua. Esther Ebagua decided to say all Edo home and abroad to scream that video, dance on that video, and send it to him. He will post it and they will be rewarded with a little token. A lot of women, both home and abroad, did that video, including Monica. Esther posted everybody, even after the show ended. Esther still continued posting. He never posted Monica. She never posted Monica video. Monica did that battle with his son, Jebo. Esther ma posted, but Esther siam. Many of them siam. That video carry view. But Esther ma post. Monica has been looking for a way, one way or the other, to bring problem to that home. To destroy that home. Monica has a home who she is managing. Monica is the managing director of Ambrose family. Monica is the man in that house. She is the woman in that house. Asikpaka ali mi ogono muhian. Na block you, get out. Ali mi ogono muhian. Asikpaka ali mi ogono muhian. No ma sikbia kenikbia ina yo we loto. E Monica hono e na ge osalobo anu giver. Because only the yegene ya age. Only the chance in no ya dozi. It's not no because you're enoquia, you're enoquo. Only it's a photocopy husband. What is that? Ambrose is a photocopy husband. Edbook Bonnie Valley. Inya mama ogwenara ogbo Ambrose kile Monica. At least he's a married woman. Yena ro was war. Ona odoria gomawa. Made o ehia mane wa share video na. A chat ni an violent on social media no cause and started there. Evelyn. E Monica yo no viohia ni fake accounts. They were the one that manipulated the whole issue. It was all manipulated by Monica Atuari. Nemina ya sunu kagani adi. I kept quiet until he made video get word. Then what do you like do Rovier? Do I see a boy here? What prompted a word? It was Monica. And Monica was not part 1. Not part 2. One day, not part 3. Just one day. All was what? A word. Not a Rovier word. Even the word was on that life. He was there watching when Monica was insulted her. The next morning, or that same night, everyone have to come out and do that video. Not do ya at here, but I mean, kita Monica the one here ko block you work the yes. I mean, puppies. Monica to bother man. Why? You know if you can continue. So, everyone know the way video ni wayara analyze due to the saga, the insult the Monica in the way. A write-up in only Kilavian. Now, I went on Macron. E Destiny ma egwan ina koloko. I be tutoy. Let's see how it goes. Destiny came out and said, greater glory. Anybody know no take a cut in him? You pay 2 million. Anybody know no take a cut in him? You pay 2 million. Just say 2 million on beans. A block. Block. Now you beat. Njotona kwa ayota. But market here. It right up no media. No one. Moi ça. Faut que quand zobu. Ma ya ngore mon kanu. Ma on ne. Ma no mon kanu we. Pepper spice juice no sungu. Kota. On y a donc bénin, il y a des groupes de l'agbi. Ouais, Constance, non, son. Non, il y a un mommy Constance. Il dénoue. Puis tu as ouais, bénin. Attends. Another one side. Let me read the Nyama en fait. Monica. Wadam yo. Mais Monica est démonique, c'est les social media. Ya wa Ebi Paris. Let's throw to Ebi Paris. Me ya Ebi Paris. Oh God. Okay. Monica atu ari edok bolo. Monica Ambrose. Waya Facebook Monica. This Monica Ambrose, una share the woman listen. So, when I hear now, the person gift Iyeki life. Then he writes, Iyeki, I get some chat to send to you. Then Iyeki now reply, about who? Question mark. Then the person now reply Iyeki, Esther Destiny Edward. Yeah, her. Then Iyeki now reply the person, really? Emata. Bring him o. Iyeki now bring him o. Why down home? Then the person now reply Iyeki, with the editor. Now underline that place. With the editor. What? When I listen to people, why down home? Why down Jose? Now a fancy a GPC. It's not saying that binya. Ale kia Magwalo Association. Ale woni o wa ewebu. Ale ni here ogobu. Ni mati lo boya gbegbo. Ale ni zuwa. It's not saying that people here. Ale GPC e kia Magwalo. GPC e kia Magwalo. GPC e kia no konkon. E kia dido bete. Hey Magwalo. Why down here? How wicked human be? He said, with the editor, that is, there not be one person. Oh, just imagine a group of people just team up just to scatter person marriage, just to see somebody they say yes, just to make sure say they destroy person marriage, the union, they want just destroy them. For social media, now they work alongside with Monica. That is just their plan. What are they here? But what do you? With the editor, where he go use bring view and cause problem. You know that? With the editor, when he go use the bring view and he go use the cause problem, with the edit the charts so that he go bring view. If he yet the show, if he yet the player, he go bring view. He go cause problem for Destiny, Ebagua enemy house. Ni kwa block avec quitter Monica na yonare. I just leave comment, they see me and they block that. You understand? Now, he said with the editor, so that he go brief you and it will cause problem. Everything there, people, just go read by yourself. You understand? This will not be saying I make you talk on. Then, that Monica say, nah, so with the editor, so that it go brief you, it go cause problem. Monica call reply, they say, nah, so the person call reply Monica, then go hear am for body again this time. Then go hear am for body again this time. Monica with the people that they talk so for GPC platform. Then they talk now. He said they go hear am for body. That means Destiny Edward and Esther go hear am for body this time. Then Monica call the plan. How na use get this chat? How na use get the chat? Monica they reply with question mark. The person now reply Monica. Now we dey run now yeki. Now we dey run now. That one na investments. That one na Ivie snacks. Now we dey run now. Okay, let's go there. Here because he can't reply the person. After the person does say, now we dey run now. I can't reply the person because say, I dey wait to come put 0000. I dey wait. Then he come further right to the person again. You can still send it that you the list no matter the list. After the right say, I dey wait to. Here you still continue the right now. You can still send it like that. I go work on myself. What the hell? I go work on myself. If I dey talk for live video. Why I done the manipulation? How they manipulate chat, audio. When they listen, you just now send the radio. When we send the chat give me, ya live video. Ya kalo he, ya kale kwa he, ya gbangban sigbo he, ya gbegbo he. Ya gwana yaji, ya gwana believe. When they hear the chat. Now Monica they talk now. Say send the chat come like that. I know how I go take and read down. Where go sweet people ear. Where view go come. Where go cause problem for Destiny and Esther house. When they see the problem. When they see the manipulation of Monica Atuari the social media. Alright. Here ki billion. Here ki billion. Here ki billion. Here ki wadame ho. Here ki billion. Oze no dowo wa out of social media. Okay, when I walk what the more I like you do, I know what do I dare? And we are might be there go the look. Oh yeah, let's go. The person now they reply exactly. Facebook is about to catch fire again for polygamy. Or when Facebook in Yamwerenia, the polygamy, Facebook is about to catch fire. Now here you want to reply. Polygamy man go see fire oh. Most of my mama go too happy. Then no they let us rest. 001 002. Underline that please. He said most of my mama. He said polygamy man go see fire. Or when Destiny got me rain. Or when Destiny got me rain. Or when most of his mama they go too happy. Ave mama no sungu. Ave mama no wa le Monica nya. No wa na gba wa gbe na bona la wa gbe na ria na ria wa kai won wa. Wo wa kweke. Awo ho na kweke ni le Monica nya. Ni ba bon la wa gbe. Ke na filo omo kwa. Ke na filo me ke na kana omo kwa ke ya no wa na wa. Ave we. Wa na go ye. No wa ria ma o wa wa. Ni ba bona fe ku ba le wa ya nya. No one has sungu, we are sungu water. And here, he said most of the mama go too happy. He said Esther and Edward, no, they let the hear word. Oh, 1, oh, 2, oh, 1, oh, 2. Why, yeah, Pepe, Monica, Mama, why, yeah, Pepe, GPC. He may marry, oh, why, Pepe, Monica, Ibabola, Eke destiny to Wawatuari. Eke Ebagua Rubiawa, who Ebagua to boy. Who Ebagua does something with me now. Gama efie kpanya iwe ya gozua isa get boba. Ama efie kpar yek bi wona. Just see yourself now. See the shame and disgrace wey go wear you. If you come back now, you go post something. Congratulations to me to catch people attention to disgust. Now say they was doing. It's time this is a manipulation. This is a setup. And who do one? Monica. What are you? What got you? What do I done? Mama, when you mama like you. Tina, doesn't cut me a koyamia. It doesn't cut go here. No one I you want to you too. Me and I go down for destiny. Let me block you from this place. As soon if you are boy. If you are boy, you can make use of me. You can make use of me. Who are gather? Now they listen. Not mind them. The best they reply, Ioti Korean, Echo better. Echo better say, not mind them. I so much hate that Esther Izobo well. The person on the chat now they reply, so say, say not mind them. I so much hate Esther Izobo well. Which with that small ekia man. Small ekia vyo kwa yowa. Wani ngo hena aliziku, again aliziku, uene tawa. Uene ina again aliziku. Now, they hear Iyekina, they reply the person. After the person does say, with that small Ekia man, Iyekina call reply say, now a word where they bring things for me for 2019. I do my drink. You know why I drink this beer? When I read that 2019. When I was talking about this audio, I play Edward video. Edward categorically said they have been dragging her since 2019. And I replied to Edward, say, Edward, nobody dragged you 2019. You were the one that dragged yourself. By sending the secret audio to Monica. That is when you start dragging yourself. Which Monica also said here. Now, Edward, they bring things for me for 2019. As them settle. Yeah, as them settle. He can't use on the pepper me. He can't use on the pepper me as them settle. Make them wait for me. This time, now fire for polygamy man. Now they hear. He said now Edward they bring things come for him. Now Edward send audio come for him for 2019. The audio where they play for social media, where scatter social media, where cause problem, where lead to even go reach the what they call this one Greg. That was the period of Greg. What is the other guy name? Greg come UK, Sandra come UK, Ebony come, Esther come, late Adela Osula come. Then your last small girl with this they down at the UK now. Precious Osaya there come. Because of that audio, after 2019, when Destiny go bury his father, Osaya did not even go to burial. Greg not going to go to bed. You might have to destiny. They're not going to agree destiny again. As they hear that audio, many things, including Sandra Akbogu, you're not going to agree destiny, the greatest again. Everywhere scatter. The unity between them again, the Zara. Monica make sure say is scattered them. And Monica Zareya is Zagazaga squad. And Anita was saying here not young guy. And I got the destiny mo. No one of it with destiny unu. A destiny way better than I am yo. Yeah, not one. Everybody did on the only. The saga was so massive. 2019. Who sent the audio? Ofenorowa. Or having a row right from time they always talk this thing. Oh, Wama Bawa, oh, a setting. Edward was inside. Again, he was not married legally then. Now, that's the reason why now Edward here, you know the reason why? A destiny marriage did not accuse a word where a chatting of your Monica or whatever. You know what? Edward is not legally married as custom and traditions demand to destiny. Or very new one. I had if she plot evil against his neighbor, his second. Now the both of them. Anybody who we are in front of only more than young bush or young we are ta. Right, you know, young bubble near the one you wear ta. Only applying evil against our way, all you wear ta is for the two of them. You understand? And that's the way you want to young line. Oh, the way I young line, the dog boy. That is traditional marriage for you. Polygamy. I cannot agree. Already, before you want to agree, they are not from the same family. They were not brought up the same with the same father or mother. They have different attitude. For them to stay together, they must have issue. But not going to the length where I have said that no. Not really what you are done with it. And yet, Ebagua. That is how it works. And that's why I was so happy. Even here, I give the example, my one is what I know. Oh, but I'm not going to audio with very young. Especially this social media for white people with the money. Any smart man post social media. Any smart man post social media. Nowadays, white people with the money, they don't be present. A man is here presenting actually being. In the Ebra, you have your belly for your when you go social media, Canada, and you go. If I don't get the fuck bad day, then I show you. I know they want to come up. So, for that's the policy, I go what you go with what video. Because you are married woman. You are not alone. Unless we are the phone give a permission, go online and do that video. If it's from the husband permission, she's free to do it. I will not take a cut, no, give more talk, never talk. One destiny. If I have one life, they are all Monica fans. This will all planned work by Monica Atuari, who are the polo. What I hear the chat now. When not so yala, when a write up yala, the social media, no why ya video can any. What I want idea do. A write up in all Latina. No why ya live video when they have you edit every Latina. What done we honor, why ya done it all. Why done here a Monica or Zed the Monica do, who will be if I like me. If I am not or like me. I will not have a contract. When I have Muyagway, what do that heck better? Hey, I tell you, take Bobby. Who does he? Oh, where polygamous home, man. You go on me, oh, where oh, one, oh, two. Iya, Pepe, yeah, I madame, I will lead you. Why, yeah. All night, reply with it. Larry, everybody's lying. Everybody's lying. Larry, what? Wait. They can hear now. Okay. And when I heard what they bring things for me 2019, now as they settle, he can't use them, they pepper me. Make them wait for me. This time, now fire for polygamy man house. Okay? And the person not reply. You want to back one out WhatsApp. The person who have when the laptop again not reply well. They go fight themselves. Make a edit them first. But now the other place. He said they go fight themselves. That means Esther Edward. The guys say be not. They go here like well Monica be you are. I can't be you be boy. He said they go fight themselves. Then go tire. So, he said they go fight themselves. They go tire. And Monica now where? I'm not gonna make an edit on first. Monica now okay. Go send them to my Facebook Messenger. Somebody go send them to my Facebook Messenger. Which one of them? Big man wife. Monica say okay. There is problem here. There is problem here. Yes. My people want to sit down. This particular place we are this so there is problem here. There is problem here. Something is fishy somewhere. Let us not be fooled. This is not Monica talking. Yes. No why. Let me explain. See what the person talk here. He say, go then go fight themselves. Make I go. He say, make I edit them first. While down the hall, make I edit them first. Monica can say, okay. Then he come further say, go send them to my Facebook Messenger. Where they for the talk now? Not Messenger. Where they for the chat now? Let's assume say na Messenger they for the chat now. Or let's assume say not be Messenger they for the chat now. Let's go there. See what he talk again. The same Monica. Okay, TikTok. Okay, there's no TikTok. Okay, TikTok. Okay, now TikTok. I have TikTok in one. Every TikTok in TikTok now. Okay, now TikTok. Okay, now let's go for that. If not TikTok, let's have listen on TikTok. Now the person want to reply. Okay, Tito. The Tito knows what the guy. Tito Yanagwan. He said, which one of them? Okay, because a big man wife. Okay, I understand. The Tito no. Okay, now TikTok. It tell where because now Facebook, if you're not speaking, they ask her say, send that to my messenger. Because if it's on our Facebook, they're going to do this chatting. You don't read the messenger the chat. That's the reason why I said not Monica the talk. You understand? If na Facebook messenger, you have one messenger, we will that way send that to my messenger. You understand? So that is not TikTok. Okay, now Tito. You know, tell me also. Oh, come on. You know, Tito, you're not going. Okay. Because they send that to my messenger. Big man work. Okay, good. Let's go there. And now I trust you. Then Monica, make una. He said, make una send the chat to pepper spice juice. And now we spice pepper juice blog. A first gist blog. Now they get them. They hear first gist blog so that we go from there publish the chart. You go come be like say now from blogger we carry am. Now we get am now. I do my drink. Why down here? That is the reason why. Go watch Monica video for the first chat, the first video he did, that first day, the second video, the third video. He said, "Oh, what you come on me? And on Facebook, I'm analyze. And on your Facebook, I'm analyze. Oh, what you come on me? Now then, carry and come out." Was it be? The second on your set you hear now. You go too sweet. When I calm down, when I calm down. If he asked you, I calm down. Hello?
Yo, hello.
I thank you, sir.
Just speak out.
Domo, sir. Yo, I beg, this thing where we say they go on to, I beg, I want to make una do investigation too. You know why I talk? Because now this thing can't confuse me. If now the same person who sent them to AB Paris, sent them to Spicy Pepper Blog, because if you read this their chat with Monica, he say the one edit the original one. So if make us the viewers, may not be like say all of you now, both you, both Pepper, Spicy Blog, or both Monica, and use our brain. Make this person now bring the original chat when he edits.
Yeah.
I don't know that you get the view. Inside this message, you say they want edit time. Because for me, if you person message you say he won't send you proof as a presenter, you not go refuse and no will tell ourselves the truth.
Yes.
You go tell and say make it bring them.
Yeah.
Just when message call the meet on the phone. Now normal. So all those many things they inside you say you want edit. So see this person want to cook Samaritan, make the thing not go kill him. Make him bring the real one. Because from the message now, not the Monica. Send them, make they do this thing. They carry and meet Monica. So
yes.
Make it bring the message that move for shame both the Monica and the people who come edit them. Because if we see them now, not the Monica edit them, they say they want edit them. So,
yeah.
So take clear this thing now. Because without that one, without you know bring the original one. Because if person won't send you proof, you know go send it for your Facebook, you go master for your WhatsApp.
Exactly.
You use them well.
Exactly.
And you go fit take saver. So those they send them to a Pepper Blog, I believe they are just kind of manipulating stage. So if the person won't win our hearts now, saying that it be the best secret leaker, make you go bring the original one come. Make you not let them too quick because if you too take, if you can't go reach 4 days before you bring them, we go sit and say na edit, and make you just bring and come before today finish. Now my own contribution to that.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. What all? This is what this man talking the truth. Me, I tell you this evening. If I read it now, I'll give you one conclusion. Now, but you can go further to say, it says send them. It says make una send the chat to just blah 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 blah. So that could be like saying now them for seeing and carry them. Now we get them. Okay, fine. Now they get them. Okay. Then this gist go shake everywhere for Facebook. Now they hear them. This gist go shake everywhere for Facebook. I go use them do topic for the next 1 week. It not go finish. Small eke go hear am hot. Make them carry their polygamy marriage enter house. Nonsensical buhaha. Octaku. Nonsensical buhaha. That is Monica language. No any other presenter get that language. That last words, nonsensical buhaha. That is Monica tune. You understand? It just be like ashi wele. Oh God. You understand? Nonsensical buhaha. And Monica get that tune. So, my people, agree to know better style. Now, why the open the sweet mean become small? Because I did this audio where this chat up here right now. By the special grace of God, me I the left now they know now. Because it's really smart than a sub. I never call destiny. I go myself call destiny. Make I sit down, ask a question about all this one. Then if he go fit, if not TikTok, they'll hear the person chat to. If he go fit, if he see get to make a screenshot, send that to me. Send the real chat to me. If he's really send that to me, that will see a live video. Or in here, you want. Ogbea you quiver. Oh, they quiver. Yes. Ogbea you quiver. Oh, they quiver. What thing you go tell this one? You go different. What thing you go tell this one? What thing you go sweet this one mind? Now you go tell this one. What thing you go sweet this one mind? Now you go tell this one. Now because of if you no really big girl, you could have been again. Now gina miye a chatty, a calling, agina gua, wa kola wa ya record you. Wa chat wa save your phone in case there's a necessary asset. No me have the presenter in react boy live video. You understand? Mingo now you get the two of the young Kenyari. You understand? That the most important thing in a slave, their wife, they derive to be happy, they derive joy. You should treat the both of them equally as a man. You understand? So anybody fighting any of them, you should stand and defend them as a man. You understand me now? That is only me know. But we get chatting now. What they get anyway? Oh, no, cause one year with the social media is Monica. And they cannot get Latvian. I carry Monica now. Every boom. Now let's go there. Due to the technical trying to see who was behind Greater Glory. Now, who owns Greater Glory fake account is Monica Atuari. The person that owns that account is Monica Atuari, Greater Glory. Then because we try to detect the person, try to navigate with GPRS. Not from this country, from a different country, to know on your country. After a lot of terror investigation, Monica now get Greater Glory. That account with Monica, where Destiny placed 2 million puts, it is owned by Monica. Done. I don't take a cut Monica or a Billy. I go away. Just where every year here show. I don't feel show all this one. I don't feel show one like that. Yeah, and the account. No one show the rest one. You understand? After terror, a fake account in me. Men work on her for computer. Know who was behind it. A Monica na UK no. A UK breakfast. And I'll put a. You understand? I can just derive Joe who baby. Who are mama goto. Who baby. To yet beladian. You will just be inside darkness. Just to manipulate people. For Monica they do live video. Make for the pack the follower. Make for see money. Monica will just sit down, they frame something. No, Monica, yeah, we know anything. We know anything. We know. And I am on boto. And we know my jet. And I am well at you. And we know soon. Never, never be like a soon. Una time a live video, you will see at least 4 to 5 people away. And what a boy Natana. And what a woman Natana. Okay, let's soon. Let's go. Oye, no, okay. Akobe Kiala de Vedero. And when they put here where, yes, you watch a live video, Akobe, wait till Obiboya with freedom. It was their presence, it was a live video. A lot of people testify about it. Abeye Guya with freedom. Abeye Guya with freedom. Abeye Bekita with freedom. You understand? So when I was saying it on live video, people call and testify about it because it was true, it was genuine. Even though Monobi defended it, but the real people, the real beings who know this thing, were aware saying, "Mama." They kept quiet. Some of them called and said, "Yes, it is true." That will make you people will know. Every year, social media. The man Ebagua can every year Ebagua can. And you saw me Ebagua can. Now I will video. If I can even say, we are Saka to say, "Yeah, sister, yeah, Hona that could be cow when I can." Bear well. Everybody will live video with me. I will live video with me. Agboya will not so give me all tea. Evident my man. Oh my dear, I think. Oh yeah, I think about with Vama with your then the problem we're not walk back and carry you or the woman boy agbo or that way or mommy abebo yagbebo. Or the woman boy agbebo. You just say South Africa can't. They try to manipulate evil. They manipulate evil. Umari Gwelatia, Urugu Kakans. And you know what was the bomb with Kakantini? And you know what? Almost would dig with Kakantini. What are you chat away? Why had the lady chat again? A chat, Nana. I'm expecting you guys to see do video concerning you. Then we have a video concerning Nia Muladia. Nia editing Muladia. Una hear nothing, it was edited. While we video, while we can near editing Muladia. In a young way, now we did run now. If you leave your mother on there, if you leave a chat knowledge on a video, but the video concerning I'm expecting you and I'm waiting for you to come and do video concerning this thing. I'm expecting you to come and do video concerning this thing. Now with the run, now with the chest down. Nonsensical buhaha. What? When you go water, wado, get it on off the $6 na error water. Areoba pay wayobu. Any winner, they just sit down, start looking for one thing or the other to do. Salobo so wa. You wa ya enwa. Come I do video concerning Instagram bobozi. Ogugun no gwo wa. Gyoga wa we na suruta. Gyata we fraki no me no mo zona wa ya wa gwa udemore. All of you guys are looking for my downfall from one way to the other. Wa gwa udemore. Jega me no bon. Hey, breaking news. Franco Mozo don't go plan with Bessie. Franco Mozo don't go to this one. Any nigga having one soon would have one allow to happen. Now, bear bua. Why you were why is one go? Where's my soul? Now, this is bua and what I give me that same. He tell me for Allah like me. I said it. I said this thing was a detail. Yeah, a detail. If I did my janaji. Where you do? Oh, yeah, tell me all I don't know. It's not yet. You just want to talk. Oh, now if I allow it, now today and tomorrow go too sweet. I get many topics for ground. I get many issue for ground to iron, both for this abroad and Nigeria. But I pin them down. After this live broadcast, I'll come back live again. I'll do it again for Baba with a Smile. You are going to join me live on Baba with a Smile again. Then later in the evening, I will still come back again on this same platform, rather either this platform or Menwa. I will still do video. A lot of issues are on ground that we need to talk about. Akobe no many why I see I don't soon with the issue of Akobe is still on ground that we're still going to talk about. How Akobe they sleep with Imariabe. We're going to talk about it. You understand? So then for this issue of this chart where they break come and concern Destiny Ebagua, truth dey inside. Oh yes, truth dey inside, but the editing where the editor not going to let us know the truth with inside. You understand me now? Big fact dey inside this whole issue. So I will try as much as possible. I don't say I get this in number. I'll call him. Live video they talk now. I'll call him. Make I ask him because I don't say it's the Europe tour. He never go Nigeria. Make I ask him about this whole issue. Come here, I like to disturb person. That's one thing about me. I don't like to disturb. I like to do my things normally as my spirit leads. My spirit make I not say talk for the matter. I'm not going to talk. I just quiet. I lock up. When the boy attack Franco Mango, just like when this issue really came up. Anybody send out to me say Franco Mango. You understand? They tell what the Mabel do on in year ago. Now family issue, not concern me. You understand? But I'll call her and ask if not really. If you have issue with your wife, first or second wife, you should settle it indoor amicably. Not be say all these chats they cause problem, they scatter home. Social media they replay home, social media they scatter home. Especially when you have a lot of enemies on social media. Destiny gets a lot of enemies because why? Now this social media doesn't want to make money. When you are eating on social media, you have enemies on social media. So anything that concerns your marital affair, it should be treated indoor, not on social media. Let nobody chat you and start talking about your wife and you start to reply them. Just like one useless woman you're coming one day when I saga Akobe. He call my number, this useless woman soon. I don't want to saga the woman. Because he has a boy woman that already. Yeah, a boy. Or for no one woman, he beg for body. The woman you're coming early morning. Say, madam, I agree to. If I want to take go la go phone. Now what? Or we are taking go phone. Are you okay? What is the build that nonsense? What matter? Who are you to call me so make I give my wife phone? You want to talk to my wife? You my wife family. And if I watch a video, if I follow, if I watch a video, if I follow. Because it could laugh. If I want to anything you want to go say it now. Anything you want to say it now. Once you say it, my wife will hear it. Because why? Once you see me, you don't see my wife. Once you see my wife, you don't see me. You feel me? So anything you have to tell my wife, tell me. She was insisting saying I give the phone to my wife. Now I call the call for her ear. She called again. Pa lao it's mangui la me phone no kan we ya go kan we gun e me ye wo no wodo me hin me modo e wo se wo da fi me bi a kan da gun ta fi me gun da fi me bi ho awon wa gu e gun oyi We went down your home. We don't move now. You call the car block him. As you talk those rubbish. You know, go that thing go. But that thing you know. Eti median that thing you. As you want to talk, eti median that thing you. I just called the call for here. For here. I block him. Before you say that, the number say one block him. You want call again. I don't block him sharp. I want to waste time. And she dey come so a picture there on WhatsApp. Picture there, name there. I just look at them. Oh no, now I'm lazy back home. No myself because you put now. I block him straight down. You may phone or can go. Now me marry my wife. I decide if my wife will talk to you, if not will talk to you. And most of all these women, when are they disrespecting her husband? When are they do well? When are they do well? Not because you're a musician or because you become a celebrity. You want to do anything, you don't go let your husband. Do not try him. Not be joke. Not your try. Or that for what? You can stop for that music. You can stop for that music when you feel it too. That's your husband for you. Give respect to your husband. Honor your husband, no matter what. If there's a kind of issue will come up, you go first hear from your husband first before you take any decision. That's what makes you a virtuous woman. You cannot be taking decision on your own. You're welcome. Without your husband, never give you that, never permit you. Why? Because we not get paid. Or that for what UK, or UK, or Europe, or UK toy. We don't really know what we pay you.